Hey everyone, we are about to head to Five Below. I feel like it's been forever since I've been there, definitely before Christmas. So we're gonna go there, I'm gonna show you all the new finds, and of course we're gonna find some items to DIY. All right, these seagrass mirrors are the cutest, $5. Absolutely love these. We're gonna have to get some of these. There's a 2-tier hanging wall shelf. I feel like I bought something similar to this last year. This one's $5. There's also this like seagrass triangle wall shelf. They always have a ton of pillows. These are really cute for a kid's room. That rainbow is super in right now. This one's kind of cute. These faux hanging planters are only $3. It looks like they come with a wood piece at top and it has some beads in it. That's a good deal. Look at all these plants, you guys. I can't wait to go through and pick out my favorites. I'm definitely leaning towards this one. What that lamb's ear is really pretty, and I love this concrete base. And even this part of it looks nice. This one is gonna be $5. This one is also really neat. So I definitely think I'm gonna pick up both of these. This one is similar to that plant that I buy from IKEA that's like a hanging plant. It doesn't look super full. Maybe it's just this one, but I wish it was a little bit fuller. So this one is pretty. It kind of has faux snow on it, so I think it's to kind of transition in between like winter and spring, but the planter on it is really cute. That one's $5.
Liz, what are you doing?
I have a problem. I got to pick out the very best one. I'm looking for the best lamb's ear plant to get. Who else does that? Let me know in the comments. I'm absolutely blown away with this hanging planter. This one's $5. I may have to switch it out for this one that we got for $3. Look how cool that is, you guys. I gotta get this. Maybe we'll get both. I don't know. We'll put them both in here. So for my first project, I'm gonna be making over this $5 macrame plant hanger. Straight out of the box, I think it looks awesome. I think this is a great quality plant hanger on its own. But I wanted to add a little bit of color to it. So I had a RIT liquid dye in the color Royal Blue, and I'm gonna mix that with water. Make sure you wear gloves whenever you do this because you don't wanna get the dye on your hands. I'm just gonna mix the dye into my water. The reason that I like to put my dye in water is so that I have more dye and I have more control over the dyeing process. Next, I'm going to simply dip my macrame piece into the dye. Now I did have to put my hand in the middle, hold it down, and I wanted the dye to come up about halfway on the side of the macrame pieces. So I'm just going to push it down until I have the dye exactly where I want it to be. I'm gonna pull it out, place it on a clear piece of plastic, and let it completely dry. And here's how it looks hung up with my IKEA plant. All right, you guys, stick with me on this one. Five Below has these t-shirts for $5, and we had an idea, what if we used one in our DIYs? So I found this one that's like 70s, which 70s prints are really in right now. So we're going to turn this shirt into wall art. I had this frame in my office, so I thought it would be great for this project. You want to make sure you get the largest shirt that you can, so I grabbed an extra large for this project. Next, I'm just going to cut out the front portion of the t-shirt. You can also use an iron or a press just to make sure that there's no wrinkles.
Someone help me catch my breath again. How did you stop loving me? How is that even possible?
I'm gonna disassemble the picture that I already had in there, and then I'm gonna use the poster that was in there as a backing piece for my new project.
Why you wanna let me go now, now? Are you saying that to change your mind?
I'm gonna cut off any excess of the t-shirt. Next, I'll lay it down on that backing piece, and I'm just going to hot glue on the edges, trying to make it lay as flat as possible. I'm not gonna put any hot glue in the middle because I feel like that would show in my print. I'm just going to smooth it out to the edges and then hot glue.
Now, if you want out, what are you
I'll add the mat back in and then put my print on top, taping it in place, and then I'll follow up with the backing piece. Now, I don't like to put plastic or glass in my prints just because I feel like they stand out more and you kind of get a glare on things. So most of the time I will leave the glass piece out. And here's how the new print turned out.
could we move on? Move on. Why you wanna let me go now, now? Are you saying that to change your mind?
I really like this tan pillow for just $5. The fabric on the front is really nice. They also have pink and blue as well. So Five Below has some of the best organization. It's just a little bit better than what you can find at Dollar Tree. I love these wire baskets. If you guys follow me on Amazon, I've shown you 2 black wire baskets that I use all the time, but they have bigger ones in black and white, and then they also have this smaller size. Look how cute these are. These white ones right here. This is $5. They also have it in a smaller size. These are probably 3. I think these are 3. And then look at this one. This one's kind of unique as well for $3 with like this wood top. Ooh, look at these trays. Okay, so they have these cool trays. These are monitor stands. So you can put it on your desk if you want to put your monitor up higher, and then your keyboard can slide underneath. They have this one, and then they also have this white one. This one actually might make a cool DIY. Ooh, are these mugs? Ooh, they're noodle bowls. Oh my gosh, look how adorable that is. That would be so fun if you were having like a themed party. I love those. These over the keyboard trays are really popular right now. This one's pretty cool. You could put like your pens, your mugs, just kind of organize your desk. Okay, so this copper table is definitely new. It's $5. I think it's really cool. I definitely think I could come up with a DIY for this, so I'm gonna grab one of these. When I picked up this copper table, I knew I wanted to make it into a raised table for my coffee table. So I took it out of the packaging to kind of see what I was working with. Now the legs are not attached, but there's 3 pieces on the back that I knew I was gonna have to take care of. So I went outside with my angle grinder to take the pieces off of the copper tray. This was really fun to do and only took me a couple of minutes. I had this piece of scrap wood in my garage, so I just stained it a darker color, and then I'm going to cut it in half so it's a little bit smaller and manageable for a tray. Now to attach the wood block to my tray, I had this wood glue that I wanted to try out, but I was a little worried that it wasn't gonna work well, so I added some E6000 on as well. You could always mix and match glues. I'm gonna place the copper tray in the center, and then I decided I would flip it over and let it sit overnight to completely dry. And here's how I styled it on my coffee table. This shelf is new as well. So this comes in black and gold. Oops. It looks like you hang it on the wall like this. All right, we're definitely getting these. Let me know, do you guys like them better in the black or the gold for the shelves? I feel like Five Below has some of the best shelves available at really affordable prices. I decided to go with the black ones, and I'm just going to style them on my backdrop. Now, if you don't have a backdrop like I do with holes in it, don't worry. You could always hang these on your wall. There's a little hanger piece on there that you could just put these on a nail. Now, when styling shelves like these, you want to think about adding groupings and like colored items. The print that I have there is one that I just did a DIY from Dollar Tree. And here's how these shelves turned out. They were really inexpensive, and I think they look great.
Listen to the midnight radio.
If you like Five Below videos, make sure to give me a thumbs up. It just lets me know to do more like it in the future. So I'm definitely a sucker for notebooks and journals. I think this one is really cute with the marble inside. It just has regular notebook paper. And this one is really pretty as well. It reminds me of like a cloud, but kind of tie-dye.
Or like cotton candy,
Yes.
sunset kind of thing.
So pretty.
What is that?
I think it's like a gym bag.
They kind of remind me of those puffer jackets that everyone's wearing.
I think this is really cute. $5. It's like a little bag, but I also thought you could use it as like a lunch tote as well. It comes in black, but I like the pink one. Oh, these are those interactive dog toys. Moose would love this. So basically what you do, this is the new thing, you guys. So you put the toy inside and then the dog has to get it out. We have something similar at our house. Look at these Five Below, best dog clothes. It's like a doggy robe. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Arrow Mutt Therapy Candle. That's so cute. Now I have to say, you guys, I normally love everything dog related from Five Below, but this toy was not the best for my little dog Moose. He had the hardest time getting that little rubber duck to come out, and once he did, it just didn't fit in his mouth really well. I feel like this toy would be better for an older dog possibly, but for a little dog, it was not great. So I wouldn't recommend this toy for littler dogs. You guys, these are removable decals, cute little stickers for your wall. These are cute. They kind of remind me of those Starbucks tumblers. They come in a bunch of different colors. 24 ounces. Let's see how much they are. Does it say how much they are?
This is $5.
Oh,
maybe.
$5. Okay. Oh, yeah, that's $5. I've never noticed at Five Below that they have Wet n Wild makeup, but this looks like some of their newer collections, so that might be something to keep an eye out for. Oh, these are cute. They're little like SpongeBob makeup sponges. Do you like DIYing, crafting, and getting ideas from your home? If you're watching this video, you probably do. Well, I want you to consider checking out my Facebook group, Fenwick DIY. It's a fun community where people can share their crafts and ask questions about home decor. So check us out in the Facebook group. If you need a shelf, you guys, Five Below is a great option. These corner shelves I think are so cute for $5. They also have a lot of floating shelf ideas for $5 as well. Really so many different options. Like look at this one, that would be cool. And then we've seen these everywhere, these like faux leather wall shelves. You can also get them with like metal brackets. These oh my gosh, these metal containers would be really cute for mail or to put in an office. One of my favorite things to buy are the rugs that they have here. They're always really affordable. Like these 2 by 3 foot rugs are $5. I like this one. I think I'm gonna get this one for my kitchen, but they have so many different varieties. All right, so we're over in the toy section. I wanted to show you guys these. I know I don't typically show you toy stuff. These little magnetic builds, you get 20 pieces for $5, which if you guys have ever bought these, they are very pricey. So you could even buy, you know, 4 of these and they would be way cheaper than buying them like on Amazon. Such pretty journals. Oh, you can't open it, but that's only $5. Love all these notebooks. They keep falling on me. All right, you guys, I wanted to show you these wooden game boards. They're really cute for just $5. I'm thinking about getting the chess set, but this one is really cute as well. So I'm gonna get one of these 16 by 20 canvases. They're $5 and you get 2. If you love seeing DIY videos, you need to be subscribed to my channel. I post new videos on Mondays and Thursdays. Maybe I should get Jeannie this tape dispenser since I'm getting Annabelle that notebook.
Those tape dispensers are cool.
I feel like she would like appreciate that. You guys, I can't with these dog clothes. They're $5. They're so cute. Although I always want to buy like the pink ones for Moose. Look at this one. Look at this little tutu. If you have a girl dog, that would be so cute. All right, guys, let me know in the comments what your favorite project was, and I'll talk to you in our next one. Bye.